To access the Quick Align Trailer application, simply double-click the desktop shortcut. The application features a tab menu located along the bottom of the window, allowing you to switch between different alignment functions. Let's begin with the tab labeled Job Data. Each tab displays text fields on the left side for entering alignment data, while the right side features guidelines for interpreting the measurement results. The Job Data tab contains a form for entering job information on the left side of the window, while the right side contains a legend that describes the measurement methods used in the alignment procedure. To begin the alignment procedure, enter all relevant information into the Job Data form. You can cycle through the input fields by using the Tab button or arrow keys on the keyboard. Alternatively, you can select an input field by using the cursor. Now navigate to the next tab labeled Tolerance. The left side of the window now contains data fields for entering the distance between the kingpin and the first axle of each axle group of the trailer. On the right side you will find axle spacing parameters for each axle group. Measure the distance between the centerline of the kingpin and the centerline of the first axle in each group. Enter the measurement values into their respective fields. If the axle spacing of the trailer does not match the default parameters, enter the correct axle spacing measurements into their respective fields. Now navigate to the Thrust tab for Axle Group 1. The left side of the window displays data fields for entering laser measurements at the top, along with thrust angle outputs below. On the right side, you will find images depicting positive and negative angles, as well as status indicators to display the measurement progress. At this point, the remaining steps of the alignment procedure are carried out in 3 phases. In the first phase, all alignment characteristics of the trailer are measured. In the second phase, any out-of-specification alignment characteristics are adjusted. In the third phase, each adjustment is verified by a new alignment measurement. To begin the first phase, measure the laser dot position on the floor standing target as projected from the axle laser on both sides of the trailer. Enter the measurement values into their corresponding fields. Repeat the measurement process for as many axle groups as the trailer has. For trailers with an odd number of axles, the last axle measurements will be entered into the front axle position of the group. You have now completed the pre-alignment data entries for the trailer. Return to the Thrust tab for Axle Group 1 and take note of the status indicators in the upper right corner of the window. If the pre-alignment measurements fall outside the specified limits, perform the alignment procedure detailed in your trailer's maintenance manual. It is advisable to make the recommended adjustments even when the pre-alignment measurements fall within the specified limits, since the reduced thrust angle will result in decreased tire wear and fuel consumption. Repeat the adjustment process for each axle group of the trailer. You have now completed the necessary axle adjustments. Return to the Thrust tab for Axle Group 1 and remeasure alignment characteristics that were changed during the adjustment phase. Take note of the status indicators in the upper right corner of the window and verify the successful completion of each adjustment. Repeat the measurement process for each axle group of the trailer. If any of the axle groups did not require adjustment, simply press the Copy button to enter all of the pre-alignment data into the post-alignment data fields. You have now completed all 3 phases of the alignment procedure. Now navigate to the Report tab. A report displaying the results of each alignment measurement is located on the left side of the window, while the right side contains a menu. Select the Directory function from the menu and choose the Alignment Reports folder on your desktop. Then, select the FileName function to generate a default file name, which will consist of the customer's name and alignment number. Finally, select the Save function from the menu to store the data for future reference. To print an alignment report, select the Print function from the Report menu. Choose a printer for a paper copy of the report or select a PDF printer option to create a digital copy of the report. For this demonstration, PDF Creator has been selected as the printer. Click OK to generate the PDF report. Modify the default file name for the PDF to include the customer name and the alignment number. Change the directory to save the file in the Alignment Reports folder on your desktop. Then, confirm the changes by clicking Save and OK in the Directory dialog box. To view the report, navigate to the Alignment Reports folder on your desktop and double-click the PDF report to open it. If you would like to revise a set of measurements on any axle, navigate to the corresponding page and use the Clear Page button to clear the data from that page only. If you would like to begin a new alignment, save the current data and then select the Clear All button to clear all data from the current job. If you would like to open a previous set of saved measurements, select Open from the Report menu. Open the Alignment Records folder on the desktop and click on the desired file. For more details on alignment setup procedures, continue watching the Quick Align training series.